fams, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a couple of weeks that I've been away, you guys, and I am so sorry. I needed to take a much needed break, and I had some things that was going on in my personal life, so I just had to take care of that. But I am back, and I just wanted to come back with you guys with a fresh video. So today I am going to be giving you guys a spring shop with me video, and I'm shopping at Walmart. Y'all know I love Walmart. It's one of my favorite places to be. So I'm kind of just going to take you guys around the store and kind of show you guys what they have available right now for spring. I don't think that this is their full spring line. Some of it is like their everyday decor, but I did see some new things that I wanted to show you guys that they do have available. If you do have a Walmart in your area, that you can go and take full advantage of these items. So definitely watch the video from beginning to end. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana. On my channel, I do a lot of home decors, seasonal decors, lifestyle videos, and cleaning motivation. If that's something you are interested in, I would love for you to consider subscribing. Double tap that bell so you don't miss any of my episodes, and leave your comment down below. Let me know where you're watching from and introduce yourself to me, because I love to chat. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this shopping.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name.
So you guys, I am loving this long or tall mirror. I think that I'm definitely going to be picking that up the next trip. Hi you guys. On my next trip to Walmart, because I definitely need a mirror for my foyer. I want something that is tall, that we can look at ourselves before we leave the house. This circular mirror, I really do love the woodsy feel of it, but it's kind of trendy, and I like unique pieces in my home. I like things that no one else has. That's why I thrift a lot, because you get pieces that no one else has in their home. And I don't want to be trendy, because I like to make my own trends. This lamp though is is giving me so much life. I actually have the taller lamp to this short version, and I love like the modern farmhouse look of it, but it's also giving me like rustic vibes, and I do like the neutrality of it. So they do have a lot of new pieces and beautiful pieces that are on trend and things that you can use in your home like forever. This lamp right here is giving me all the life, you guys, because I need something for my undermount lighting for my kitchen counters, but y'all will get to see that if I get it or if I don't get it, I don't know. In my upcoming kitchen reno that's coming, I'm not sure when, but sometime this year. But yeah, they do have some new pieces, so definitely make sure y'all go ahead and check out Walmart. The pillows are off the chains. I love this little yellow pillow that you guys are about to see. It's like almost like little blossoms on there. It is so cute, you guys. So definitely look out for that, because that might be a next decor piece in my home. But the prices are right, and they could be like used for all year round. You can use them for summer, you could use them for fall. I mean, whatever. They are just so pretty. So definitely make sure y'all check them out, and yeah, let me know what you guys think so far.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. It's never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone. But you got me good, or you got me good.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited.
So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this Walmart Spring Shop With Me video. And yes, they still have a ton of Valentine's Day products, gifts, all the good things. So if you are planning on surprising your significant other or just, your kids, making some Valentine's Day basket, y'all, they have everything that you need. Okay. Walmart, you really need to sponsor me. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I hope that, you guys found some things that you can perhaps run out and go purchase for the spring season. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Remember, Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my